Thanks to Casetify for sponsoring this video. Apple's consistent blend of design, power and performance keeps the iPhone at the forefront year after year. With the iPhone 16 Pro, we have what is clearly the best iPhone you can buy today. But the real question is, does that make it worth the upgrade? And more importantly, is this worth it for iPhone 15 Pro users? As we open the box, the unboxing experience is familiar, minimalistic, just like last year. A thin box containing only the essentials, the iPhone 16 Pro and a USB-C cable. No frills, just Apple's signature focus on simplicity. This year I went with the natural titanium. After seeing all the colour options in person, I can confidently say this is the one to get if you're on the fence. The natural titanium finish truly elevates the iPhone 16 Pro's aesthetic, giving it a premium and refined look. It's not just about appearances though. The titanium sides are a major upgrade from the stainless steel found on previous models, doing an excellent job at resisting fingerprints. Combined with the lighter weight, it feels comfortable and balanced in the hand. But despite these subtle improvements, now is when the game of spot the difference begins. When you compare it to last year's iPhone 15 Pro, there's very little that sets these two devices apart. In fact, they're nearly identical, with the only real standout being the addition of the new camera control button placed down the right-hand side of this phone. This year, Apple have slightly increased the display sizes across the Pro lineup. The iPhone 16 Pro now features a 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches, with the larger 16 Pro Max boasting a 6.9-inch display, up from 6.7. To accommodate these changes, Apple have slimmed down the bezels, allowing the bigger screens without drastically altering the form factor. For me, the 6.3-inch display on the smaller Pro variant struck the perfect balance. After 2 weeks of use, I'm confident in my choice. It feels much more comfortable in the hand, while still offering plenty of screen real estate. While the iPhone 16 Pro may look nearly identical to last year's model, it's still a design that holds its own in 2024. The clear lines, premium materials and impeccable attention to detail make it one of the best looking smartphones on the market. The introduction of the new camera control button hasn't altered the design significantly, but we'll dive into its usefulness later in the video. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro remains a beautifully crafted device with a stunning display that offers one of the best viewing experiences on a smartphone. All of this packed into a phone that's not only visually appealing, but also incredibly durable. Now, whilst the iPhone 16 Pro may be a durable device, you're still going to want to protect your investment given its price tag, and that's where today's video sponsor comes in. Casetify's dedication to style, protection and versatility really is unmatched, and their latest collection for the iPhone 16 Pro is no exception. With a huge range of designs and cases to choose from, there is something for everyone. Their impact case delivers robust protection in a minimalist design, engineered to handle the demands of everyday use. It's the perfect choice for those who seek durability without compromise. For additional peace of mind, their bounce case offers advanced protection with an impressive 21.3-foot drop resistance, making it the go-to for those who want to safeguard their device in any environment. If you're looking for versatility, the Impact Ring stand case combines protection and functionality, allowing you to prop your phone effortlessly without sacrificing its sleek aesthetic. And with thousands of customizable designs, every case is a canvas for your personal style, ensuring your phone is protected with a look that's uniquely yours. If this wasn't enough, Casetify have gone a step further with their all-new Ultra Bounce case, the ultimate fusion of protection, style and versatility. This is Casetify's most protective and versatile case to date. With an astonishing 32.8 foot of drop protection and 6 layers of reinforced defense, including an integrated camera lens protector, the Ultra Bounce is built to take on anything. Its newly redesigned expanded corners not only enhance protection, but also make it easier than ever to attach a lanyard or carabiner, allowing you to carry and use your phone in so many different ways. To see this and so much more, click the link in the description and get 15% off. Thanks again to Casetify for sponsoring this video. The iPhone 16 Pro's camera system has received a few key upgrades this year. First, there's the sharper 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which captures incredible detail. The 48 megapixel main fusion camera is now faster with zero shutter lag, perfect for those quick everyday shots. And for the first time, the 5x Tetra Prism zoom, previously exclusive to the Pro Max series, is now here, giving you even more versatility in your photography. Apple have also taken photographic styles to the next level, integrating them directly into the Camera and Photos app. This means you can adjust skin undertones and the mood effect on the go, and then even tweak them after the shot. On the video front, the iPhone 16 Pro now records at 4K and 120 frames per second, up from 60 frames per second, allowing for smoother, more dynamic footage. Paired with the smooth 120Hz display, you can adjust playback speed to create stunning slow motion videos effortlessly. Having tested the Google Pixel 9 Pro's camera, which really impressed me, it's going to be interesting to see how the iPhone 16 Pro's camera system stacks up. If you're curious to find out which one I think comes out on top, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my full iPhone 16 Pro review coming soon. Now, while we're still on the topic of the camera, Apple's new camera control button is one of the main new features in this year's iPhone lineup. At first glance, it seems like a useful addition. A light press brings up a clean, easy to use menu interface, allowing you to quickly access the camera, but in my experience, it's more awkward than convenient. The button is positioned in a way that makes it difficult to use in portrait mode, and honestly, navigating on screen feels faster and more intuitive. It seems like the button was just added for the sake of having something new. When Apple introduced the dynamic island a few years ago, I thought this was a brilliant integration of hardware and software. The camera control button, however, doesn't quite hit the same mark. I'm hopeful that future software updates will expand the button's functionality, making it more useful down the line, but for now, I don't see much of a reason to use it over the on-screen controls. When it comes to performance, Apple consistently deliver, and the brand new A18 Pro chip is apparently no exception. This powerful chip features a 6-core CPU with 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, which Apple claim provides a perfect balance of power and energy efficiency. Alongside this, it boasts a new 6-core GPU that enhances graphics performance, making everything from gaming to video playback a smooth experience. Plus, with a 16-core neural engine, the A18 Pro chip elevates machine learning capabilities, allowing for faster and more efficient processing of tasks that require advanced AI. This year, AI plays an even bigger role with the introduction of Apple Intelligence. Siri is said to be much smarter thanks to these advancements, but this is something I haven't had the chance to fully test yet, as it's not available until later this year. As for what will be available when Apple Intelligence launches, it will bring features like enhanced writing tools, smarter photo and video editing, audio transcription and summaries, and improved notifications. Siri will be more intuitive with better natural language understanding and deeper system integration. Plus, you'll have access to ChatGPT for broader knowledge and advanced image and document understanding, making everyday tasks even easier to manage. The iPhone 16 Pro is undoubtedly an excellent smartphone, but despite this, I feel like for current iPhone 15 or even iPhone 14 Pro users, the changes made this year don't warrant an upgrade. For me, the incremental differences simply do not justify the hefty price tag. That said, for anyone looking to upgrade from an older iPhone or making the switch to an iPhone for the first time, this device will certainly impress. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro is packed with so many features, like the impressive 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, the sleek and durable natural titanium design, and the powerful A18 Pro chip ensures you'll be getting one of the best smartphones on the market today. It really is an exceptional blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to see lots more content like this. Remember to check out the link from Casetify in the description below to get 15% off your order. For now though, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.